Earth's polarity is more than a geophysical fact. It is a cosmic compass, guiding the behavior of migratory birds, the flow of ocean currents, and perhaps even the emotional resonance of human beings. The magnetic poles of our planet are not fixed. They drift over time in slow, mysterious movements like ancient deities stretching in their sleep. Right now, the magnetic North Pole is migrating towards Siberia at a rate of over 30 miles per year. Some scientists attribute this to flux in the molten outer core where liquid iron churns like a storm of ancient memory, but others suggest there's more at work, something deeper, more intertwined with the fabric of life itself. There is a quiet theory, unprovable but poetic, that we, humans, trees, whales and wandering spirits are tethered to this magnetism. Not in a mechanical way, but in an energetic one. The Earth pulses at a frequency. The Schumann resonance, often called the Earth's heartbeat, vibrates at around 7.83 Hz, a value eerily close to the frequency of human alpha brainwaves. Coincidence? Maybe. But perhaps we are in tune with this rhythm, drawn to it like a chord resolving to the tonic. Perhaps the poles are not just locations, but symbols of duality. North and south, yin and yang, conscious and subconscious. And somewhere between them we abide. Einstein's theory of general relativity reshaped our understanding of gravity, not as a force, but as a curvature of space-time caused by mass. Imagine placing a bowling ball on a trampoline. The fabric bends, and smaller objects roll toward it. This is gravity, in Einstein's eyes. The Earth, a celestial bowling ball, warps the space around it, creating the conditions for us to walk, fall, orbit, and return. But this idea also binds us quite literally. We are gravitationally bound to Earth in a way that transcends mere mass and motion. This is our cradle and our cage. Every jump is a rebellion, every return a reminder. You belong here? And yet, there's an ache beneath this truth. If gravity is just geometry, then why do we feel it so intimately? Why does a falling body feel tragic? Why does a leap of faith feel poetic? Is this just physics, or is there something else pulling at us? Enter quantum mechanics, a world where particles are both here and there, where certainty is a myth and observation shapes reality. In this domain, the classical view of gravity begins to unravel. Here, some theorists propose that gravity itself may not be a fundamental force, but an emergent phenomenon, a result of quantum entanglement on a massive scale. Imagine every particle of your body subtly entangled with every particle of the Earth. Not metaphorically, but physically, a cosmic lattice of information exchange humming beneath our perception. In this light, gravity might not be a warping of space, but a whisper between entangled states. A gentle, unbreakable conversation between you and here. This is where things get strange. Spooky action at a distance, Einstein once called entanglement, skeptical of its implications, but it turns out entangled particles do communicate instantaneously, regardless of distance. So what if this spookiness isn't a glitch in the system, but a window into something deeper? What if the gravity we feel toward Earth isn't merely due to mass and geometry, but because we are entangled with this world at a foundational level? Not just biologically, cosmically. With all the stars and all the galaxies, why Earth? It's a question poets, physicists and prophets have all asked in their own way. Of all the energy in the universe, why are we here now, bound to this small blue marble spiraling through space? The gravitational pull of Earth is one thing, but the draw of Earth, the ineffable pull toward home, belonging, origin, is something else entirely. Is it sentimental, spiritual, or is it a form of cosmic entanglement encoded into our atoms when we were forged in the hearts of ancient stars and scattered across the cosmos? We are matter, we are waveforms, we are memory. Perhaps Earth is not just a location, but a vibration that matches our own, a frequency of being to which we are tuned. This resonance might be what calls us back when we drift too far, emotionally, physically, metaphysically. Some say we're made of stardust. True enough. But I believe we are also made of earth dust, minerals, magnetism, and memory. And like all things that are part of something, we are compelled to return. To love a planet is to recognize your quantum tether to it. It is to feel the gravity of not just mass but meaning. To walk barefoot on the soil and feel not just the ground but the grounding. To sit beside an ocean and hear not just waves but the world breathing. And maybe, just maybe, our entanglement with Earth is a kind of grace. A spooky action not at a distance but right here underfoot. A proof that the universe does not forget where we come from. A sign that even in a cosmos of infinite possibilities, the soul returns to where it vibrates in harmony. Earth is not the only home, but it is ours, for now, until the resonance changes, until we discover new frequencies. But until then we are held, bound by gravity, called by magnetism, anchored by entanglement, home.